बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? होपफुली आप लोग सब ठीक होंगे। और मुझे पता चला आपका 22 अगस्त को एग्ज़ाम है। हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 7 का आपने मांगा था, मैं आपको दे रही हूँ। जिन जिन ने मांगा था, राजा दास, इसिका दास, संपिता सरकार, जयभद्र, रीता मंडल, आप लोगों के कहे अनुसार मैं ये 7 नंबर चैप्टर दे रही हूँ। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। चैप्टर 7 इकोनॉमी एंड सोसाइटी। क्वेश्चन है फर्स्ट नंबर, age of the 16 Mahajanpad was, what was the main occupation of that age? Agriculture was the main occupation of that age. Second number, what is Magad region? What was the important crop? Paddy was the most important crop and Sally was the best quality. Except it, ये यहाँ पर आप लिख सकते हैं except it. Wheat, barley and sugar cane were also cultivated. Okay. Next में write about short note of northern black polished ware. During Gautam Buddha's much advancement was made in the art of making a particular kind of earthenware pottery. Archaeologists have identified this as northern black polished ware. These were even more advanced than the polished grey ware pottery of the preceding time. These vessels were made of very good quality clay. Due to the widespread use of the potter's wheels, it has become easy to make these vessels. The main characteristic of this vessel was that these were as fine as mirror. Earthenwares were well fired in over the make them black. The vessel were the polished as specimens of these earthenware vessels, plates and bowls of different kind of vessel have been discovered. Next में चलते हैं. What is the first urbanization? In the history of ancient history, the first city had been seen in Harappa civilization, therefore that known as first urbanization. What is the second urbanization? The urbanization had happened in the North Indian, mainly in the Gangetic Valley. The urbanization that had taken place in 600 BC is known as second urbanization. Who had sanctioned the giving and receiving of the loan? Jainism and Buddhism. Soil is the best gift of nature. Soil में गैप करेंगे. The number of the vessels increasing within the increasing of urbanization. The accident occurred at the China by the Ukraine nuclear nectar. For the increase of the population, demand of industrial good in increasing. The habit of living thing including man is soil. Soil is present at the uppermost layer of land mass. DDT is one type of insecticide. On 30% of land of earth, 30% people live. Plastic is one type of the non-degradable. Agriculture affected for soil pollution. What is plastic? Plastic is one type of agriculture organic compound which is non-decaying substance. Classify the fertilizer. How many type it? Name them. Fertilizer classified into two type: organic and inorganic fertilizer. What is Agrahara? Defined it. In the Gupta and post-Gupta age is system of donation of such land for religious purpose come to be known as Agrahara. It defined the craftsman as एशियन इंडियन. तो ये यहाँ से लेके आपको यहाँ तक कर देना है. ठीक है, ये वाला देख लीजिए. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक आपको लिख लेना है. ठीक है. What was the condition of women during Mauryan age? The condition of women also remained unchanged. However, it is possible for women to take up certain occupations even outside their household. One get to know about women worker in the population of cotton yarn. Women were also appointed royal officers and spies. According to Megasthenes, how many type of divided Indian society? According to Megasthenes, Indian society was divided into 7 castes. Brahmin or wise man, second farmer, third animal husbandry or hunter, artist, merchant, soldiers, spies or foreigner travels, and royal official or minister. Okay, this is very important. Next, 21. What had Megasthenes said about India? Megasthenes has said the savagery did not exist in India. Who had attacked in India? Alexander. How was the appearance of Mauryan age? Much like today, the common man of the Mauryan age used to wear dhoti and chadar. Women used to wrap a dupatta over their garments. Member of royal family or wealthy families wore expensive cloth. The demand for cotton clothes very highest among common people. One also hears about the use of silk and woolen cloths. Many men wore turban or on their head. Rich people used to expensive stones and gold jewelries. Okay, this is also important. What is the meaning of word ward? The word ward means city. You write a short note of Sundarban's lake. Sundarban lake यहाँ से लेके आपको यहाँ तक का पूरा लिख देना है और अच्छे से याद कर लीजिएगा, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी है और ये पेज 103 में है. What do you mean by dinar and subran? आंसर होगा मेनी सिल्वर एंड गोल्ड कॉइन ऑफ द गुप्ता एज हैव बीन डिस्कवर्ड. द गोल्ड करेंसी इंक्लूडेड बाय द गुप्ता एम्पायर was known as dinar and subran. Who introduced the silver coin in first time? Emperor Chandragupta II. It was known as rupak. Who introduced the copper coin of daily use? Gupta rulers. What do you mean by Stridhan? Answer. The father continued to be the head of the household. There was a tradition of giving early marriage to daughters. At the time, daughters used to receive some wealth over which they enjoyed sale right. There was known as Stridhan. Who had come to India during the reign of Gupta Emperor Chandragupta II? Fahan Khan. What had wrote about during Chandragupta II? पेज नंबर 108 में चलिए देखते हैं. यहाँ से लेकर आप यहाँ तक लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट, in what had wrote about Hensang? इसका आंसर आपको 108 में मिलेगा. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का आपका है, देख लीजिए, इसके बारे में आप लिख देंगे. ठीक है, मैंने आपको सब शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिया है. अभी इसमें से आप देख लीजिए. स्टेटमेंट में 1 नंबर का होगा, ऑप्शन में सेकंड वन होगा, दूसरा नंबर में ऑप्शन ए होगा. और इसमें देख लीजिए, जनपद वाज द एग्रीकल्चर एरिया. ठीक है, इन इंडिया इन द मौर्यन एज इकोनॉमी वाज मेनली डिपेंड ऑन agriculture. During the Gupta age, the system of donating land of religion purpose is known as अग्रहारा सिस्टम. इसका शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन भी मैंने बना के दिया है, देख लीजिएगा. एंड व्हाट डू यू नोटिस द डिफरेंट बिटवीन द फर्स्ट अर्बनाइजेशन हड़प्पा एंड सेकेंड अर्बनाइजेशन महाजनपद? इसके बारे में मैं आपको दिखा दे रही हूँ. ये देखिए, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का पूरा होगा. ठीक है, सेकंड में आपको दिखा रही हूँ. वाई डिड इरीगेशन सिस्टम डेवलप्ड इन एशियंट इंडियन? डू यू नोटिस द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इरीगेशन सिस्टम ऑफ दोज टाइम ऑफ द प्रेजेंट? ये तीन का 2 नंबर में यहाँ से बता रही हूँ. यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक का आपका 3-2 हो जाएगा. ठीक है, ये मैंने लिख दे भी रही हूँ 3-2. ठीक है, 3-3 का व्हाट डिफरेंट कैन नोटिस ऑफ pattern of cultivation of the crop cultivation in the northern and southern part of India subcontinent in the period between 6th century BC and 6th century AD। इसके बारे में देखिए, यहाँ से होगा 3 का, यहाँ से यहाँ होगा, ठीक है। फिर इसके बाद यहाँ से यहाँ होगा, उसके बाद यहाँ से लेकर यहाँ तक का 3 का होगा। 3 का यहाँ से यहाँ, यहाँ से यहाँ और यहाँ से यहाँ। ये देख लीजिए, ये इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो मैंने आंसर भी दिया है, फिर भी आप एक बार देख लीजिए। ये पेज में मैंने सब में हाईलाइट किया हुआ है, वापस से दिखा दे रही हूँ। ये देख लीजिए, सबका क्वेश्चन आंसर एक बार आप देख लीजिएगा, मैंने हाईलाइट किया है। बच्चों, यहाँ मैं ख़त्म करती हूँ। आप मेरी वीडियो को ज़रूर से पसंद करिए, लाइक करिए। थैंक यू। आप स्वस्थ रहिए, सुस्त रहिए। बाय बाय।